This is yesterday date, July 5, 2021. The special scheme assessment for the board exam, classes 10th and 12th. So what are the things we are following for 12th? Same it is applicable for class 11th also. Please remember 12th question paper pattern, mark distribution and stream, everything it is common for 11th also. Okay, there is no different plan for 11th. So you should follow the 12th board assessment as well as all the markings in everything. So I think so, you know very well. Today, all the news channel and all the social media, the flash news, the CBSE conducting board exam, 2 terms, term 1 and term 2. That is the first point, ma. So divided into 2 terms with approximately 50% syllabus for each term, 50-50. Syllabus, it's based on the curriculum 2021 dated 31st March. Okay. So what are the process means internal assessment, practical project. So everything it is there. Class 11 and 12. So throughout the year, irrespective of term 1, term 2, so we are conducting for the topic test, unit test, activities, practical, project. So based on the mark, you should maintain the upload marks for the internal assessment on CBSE IT platform, evidence in the digital format. Evidence in digital format. So now I'm sending Google form, no? That also one of the digital format. It is the evidence. Next, you are sending paper to us. Again, we are taking a correction. We are saving in the Google Drive and sending to the office also. So this is also one of the digital format evidence for the all the assessment. Unit test, class test, MCQ test, activity, practical, project, everything. Okay. So first term, the month of November and December. So now 7th month, no? July, next August, September, October, November. 7, 8. So in these 2 months, maximum will complete 50% syllabus. So out of 15 chapters, 7 chapters. So now 4th chapter going on, 5, 6, 7. So only 2 months. So 9 and 10 revision time. Again to 11th month, we will conduct the exam. Term 1 exam, 50% syllabus. So what is the pattern? Question paper pattern. It's a fully MCQ type questions. And assessment and reason. Case based questions. Case study type question. One paragraph based on the paragraph 5 question it is done. No? So only 90 minutes. The question paper will be sent by the CBSE along the marking scheme. Okay, this is only important. The question paper also CBSE and observer and external examiner also outside the school. Appointed by the CBSE. Please note it. Appointed by the CBSE. So 90 minutes MCQ assessment and reason case study type question. It is only for using OMR sheet. In this term 1 mark, it is considered to final overall score. Term 2 examination and year-end examination. So term 2 also only 50% syllabus. Only term 2 syllabus. Syllabus of term 2 only. So first term syllabus no need. Only term 2 syllabus enough. The exam time, March and April, it is 2 hours exam. Now, as per the now what plan we are using, question paper design, 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 3 mark, 5 marks. In this pattern is applicable, 2 hours. In case term 2 exam not conducted, term 1 exam is considered to maximum mark for the overall mark also. So what are the assessment? If you have doubt, in case we'll open the school, we'll conducting term 1 exam, term 2 exam. So term 1 and the term 2. So equally they will take for year-end exam result. In case the November and December, it is not possible to open the school. So term 1 exam based on done students online or offline from home. So online exam also accepted. Second condition. March and April. So term 1 exam not we are conducting online also, it is accepted, offline also accepted. March and April, it is happened. So March and April, it is not possible to open the school, means term 1 exam mark, it is considered to year-end mark. Term 1 exam also not conducted, term 2 exam also not conducted. How to assess the students? So that is the internal base, the base of internal assessment. Practical, project, theory marks, term 1 and term 2 exam taken by candidate in home. See that during the online class. Tap it in this D point. See that. Very value. Just a minute. Okay, class 10th mark also it is applicable. It is for D fourth point. Okay, so based on all the condition, next year, upcoming year, compulsory board exam it is there. So every exam you want to consider it is the board exam, whether in MCQ test or theoretical test, every exam it is very useful. Your mark decided by yourself only. You want maximum mark, write properly and get good marks. So it is a board exam pattern. So 100% we should follow the board pattern. Any other doubts? Hello? If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Both exam also is for 80 marks, sir.
Mark, we didn't say the mark must till now. Only hours, 2 hours. That is a March and April, 2 hours. Maximum 70 marks, 30 marks for the practical. Before that, first term exam, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 90 minutes total. Okay, 90 minutes, 50% syllabus. It is a MCQ type question. MCQ assessment is and case study type questions.
Okay, sir.
Mark, question paper design, this and all I will tell you after. Okay, so this is a new circular. So based on the circular, term 1 exam, term 2 exam it is there. Online exam also it is considered. The last time I given some work, but I received only few students, activity works, that art integrated work also, and the IQ test also, but I received only few students. So don't do like this mistake hereafter. So after, listen, you are going to NEET exam or JEE exam in any colleges, minimum 60% mark is very important. 60%. Compulsory physics, it is a main role. Physics, chemistry, maths. So try to understand the situation. Everyone write the exam hereafter. So up to that, okay. Hereafter, in this week, all the exam, everyone must attend. 87 students are there, so around 85. 85 also attend the MCQ test, theoretical test. If you have any doubt, you can ask to the subject teachers. In physics, you can ask to me. Upcoming week, the test portion, chapter number 3, motion in a straight line, unit test, 40 marks, 30 mark also same question, same chapter. We'll go for the projectile mark. So today and in this week, we'll discuss with the projectile relevant problems. So after we'll start with the one more chapter. Any other doubt? Gale side, everyone, did you understand? Abhir, Akshaya, Bhai said, Karanish, Tarun, Giri Surya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Even Niranjan, Roshan, Shivadharanisha, Shivadharanis. Just a minute, ma'am. I will open one more screen. Okay. So next one, projectile motion. Oh, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the horizontal motion, x-axis, the formula ux plus axt, x is equal to x naught plus uxt plus of axt. That is the initial position x naught. Velocity of the instant resultant value v is equal to root of vx square plus vy square. Finding the direction vy by vx The angular projection of a particle. Time of flight, please know the formula and always be remember. T equal to 2u sin theta by g. Maximum height formula h, capital H or small h. It is equal to u square sin square theta divided by 2g. Horizontal range formula r equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. Maximum horizontal range formula r equal to u square by g, because theta value 45, 45 into 2 means you will get 90, sin 90 value is 1 from above equation. So range formula. Maximum horizontal range means r equal to u square by g. This is circular motion. No? We will discuss in these formula relevant problems. It is better. So yesterday I given homework also. I see some students homeworks. It is also good. Okay. Listen. For the example 5. A cricketer can throw a ball to a maximum horizontal distance. So underline the word maximum horizontal distance. The value is 100 meter. How height above the ground can be the cricketer throw the ball? How height? Such is the question mark. The range formula r equal to u square by g. R value under u square by g. So using the three equation of motion formula, v square equal to u square plus 2g 2a. Yes, it is the upward direction, no? The negative g towards the ground or towards the earth due to the gravity plus g, against to gravity minus g. So what is the final velocity at the end, top of the point? The v value is 0. So u square minus 2g h. So h value equal to u square by 2g. U square by g. See that this is equation number 1 minute. Equation number 1. U square by g values 100. Just apply the values. So 1 by 2 u square by g. So u square by g value 100. Then what is the height? Height equal to 50 meter. 50. Please take a notes. found me one problem, that is that writing pen tip, it is it is broken. I want to change. So please note it. If you have any doubt, you can ask. I will try to explain. It is not writing. Okay. The next problem. The ceiling of long hall is 25-meter height. The value is H value 25 meter. What is the maximum horizontal distance? Maximum horizontal distance. So horizontal distance means what? That ball thrown with speed, maximum horizontal distance. That ball thrown with the speed, that is the initial velocity, u value 40 meter per second, can go without hitting the ceiling of the ball, and go without ceiling of the hall, of the ball hall. First write the question, my everyone. Try yourself. Everyone note the problem. Try to find what is the maximum horizontal distance. Yeah, theta value we can take 0.544. Maximum it is easy value only they will give. Theta 45 degree, 90 degree, like that only will come. That basic max. H equal to u square sine square theta divided by 2g. I need sine square theta value. 2hg divided by u square. Apply the value, only sine theta. That is a 0.5554. Horizontal distance is belong to r. So r equal to u square by g, 2 sine theta cos theta. Again, cos theta formula, that is the root of 1 minus sine square theta. Cos theta equal to root of 1 minus sine square theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, using in this problem formula. Because we don't know the value of cos theta. So finally, we will get that r value, range value 150.7 meter. So this is the r value. Yeah. The next question also very interesting, ma. A projectile is projected at 45 degree with the horizontal, so that the horizontal range is 4 times the maximum height. It is a proof. The relationship between the range and height. So that the horizontal range is 4 times the maximum height. You know the formula, R formula also you know that. H formula also you know that. Use the formula, try yourself. Yeah, Kabil and CP, Tina Darshini, Shiva Rajavel, Shiva Dharanish, Harshini, Gokul Pranav, Dhanush Karthik, Abharajitan. So kindly join the class properly on time. Okay. So what is the answer? It is right? Say yes or no. I need to replay.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no. Okay, just raise your hand. So the example 7, it is correct. Yes means raise your hand. Okay, formula R equal to U square by G because of maximum height theta value 45 degree. Maximum height formula U square sin square theta divided by 2G sin square theta. So theta value 45 square U square by 2G. The value is 1 by 2. Then 1 by 4 U square G. So what is U square G value? U square by G, that is the R. So R equal to U square by G, H equal to R by 4. Then R maximum is equal to 4 times of H, horizontal range. Please take a notes. Completed students, no problem. Okay, next problem. Better you will try. So that the range of projectile remaining the same when projected at an angle theta. That is the 90 minus theta. 3 more questions. Example 8. So that the range of a projectile remaining same when it is projected at an angle theta. Yes, ma'am. It is also possible. The range formula R equal to U square by G sin 2 theta. Again, the angle, that is a new angle, 90 minus theta. So R dash equal to U square by G sin 2 theta purpose. I am writing the value 90 minus theta. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. but we know the value, that is the 180 minus 2 theta. Okay, it is equal to theta. 180 minus 2 theta. That's a change. That conversion process I will show you. That max, basic max I will tell you. So again, the R dash and the R, both also equal. Just note down. Yes, ma. Chapter number 4, up to the first part, it is a vectors. The vectors notes already with you. So only projectile motion only, it is not there. I know that. This one I will share you because of some students not taking the notes properly. They are thinking everything it is available in WhatsApp, like that. So only that a basic level up to you understand. Okay, all the formulas, all the problems, some model you understand means after only I will share the notes. So before that I didn't share any notes. You can remember the before classes also. So once I feel okay, everyone can understand the concept, then they can do some problem also. Like that situation only, I will share you the notes. Up to that, you must come to class. You should take the notes properly. All the formulas, all the small concept, which condition we want to use plus, which condition we want to use minus. Everything you should listen in class. The listening is a very important skill. That is in my class I will tell you, the listening is the beginning of prayer. So prayer time, everyone silent. You also like this only. In online class, everyone very silent. Let's see for offline how. Okay, Dhanush, I will share him, don't worry. Okay. See that. Sine 180 minus theta. It is equal to t sine theta. You see in this formula. So sine 180 minus 2 theta. So it is equal to sine 2 theta. So one day I will explain all the basic formulas. Not now. No, it is not important. But this is the differential calculation formula. Still now we are using first formula and second formula. For the integral, first formula, second formula. X power n equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. C is the integration constant. Okay. The next one, the range of projectile when launched at an angle of 15 degree with the horizontal 1.5 kilometer. The range of projectile when launched at an angle 15 degree, the value is 1.5 kilometer. What is the range of projectile? What is the range of projectile when launched at an angle 45 degree? So two condition it is that it is a comparison method. So theta 1, 1.5 kilometer. Theta 2, the angle I know that the value is 45 degree. So what is the range? R is the question mark. The first condition, equation number 1, R1 equal to U square by G sine 2 theta. R1 value 1.5, U square by G sine 2, theta 1 value 15 degree. Then you will get U square by G equal to 3. Okay, use as it is now. No need to convert. This is equation number 2. The next one R2. It is a U square by G sine 2 theta 2. So 2 theta 2, the value is 45 degree. This is the R1, this is R2. So R2 is the question mark. You should find the value of R2. But I know the value of U square by G sine 2 into 45. What is the value? It is a 1. So U square by G value is a 3. So what is the range means? It is a 2 time. 1.5 kilometer means we will get after the range. It is a 45 degree means it is a 3 kilometer. Equation number 3. Please take a notes. Okay, completed. Okay, so next problem. So another one we'll discuss after ma. That proof funnel will complete today. Find the angle of projection for which horizontal range and the maximum height are equal. Find the angle of projection for which horizontal range and the maximum height are equal. So horizontal range, such formula u square by g sine 2 theta. Maximum height formula u square sine square theta divided by 2g. Horizontal range and maximum height. So both also equal. So u square cancel. G also cancel. Sine 2 theta it is there. Here sine square theta divided by 2g it is there. So sine 2 theta means it is 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta. So I can simplify that. You will get tan 4. Tan theta equal sine by cos. It is a tan theta. So tan theta equal to 4. So it means find the angle of projection for which horizontal range and maximum height are equal. It is equal to theta tan inverse 4. Up to this enough. Sine 2 theta, the value is 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine square theta it is, I can write sine theta, sine theta cancel, sine by cos, it is tan theta. Sine square theta, it is sine theta. So one sine it is cancelled. Sine by cos, it is tan 2 into 2, 4. Tan theta equal to 4, otherwise theta equal to tan inverse 4. Both also right. Okay, for you one small problem. It is homework. Just a minute. Yeah, this one try more. From the top of the building, 49-meter height, the projectile is projected horizontally with a velocity 9.8 meter per second. Calculate the first one, the time taken by the projectile to reach the ground. Second one, horizontal range. Try yourself. This one is a homework. Once in this chapter completed means I will check the classwork, so be ready for that. Last class I received only 30 students, so remainder 50. Whether you are following classwork note or not, it is question mark. So please, everyone follow the classwork. What are the problem we are teaching? This and all, please note it in your classwork. Okay. So today class we discussed relevant maximum height, horizontal range, maximum horizontal range. Time of flight it is not there, but we will discuss. So based on in this formula, all the problem we discussed, and theta formula also. Theta 90 minus theta relevant in this problem also we completed. Only few area it is. One is a circular motion, another one relative velocity. In these two topic I will start with tomorrow class. We will discuss. Any other doubt? And be remember the term 1 examination, term 2 examination, term 1 50%, term 2 50%, term 1 exam 90 minutes. It is based on MCQ. multiple case study type question, assessment reason type question. Term 1 using OMR sheet. Term 2 exam for the month of March and April. 2 hours exam, 90 minutes. In case it is not conducted, otherwise 2 hours. So all the format, 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 3 mark question, 5 mark. I think so, except MCQ. That MCQ also they will ask case study type question. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Again, we'll meet next class with a different topic.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bernice, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you.